But it's interesting, I see a lot of companies with that sort of like smaller thickness. Is there a reason for that? Are they reselling it?
You'll see this in the market a lot, and because this is a very typical Chinese kit, but it could be from anywhere in the world. Now, China products, it's not a bad thing. Everybody says, oh, it's from China, I want US. Okay, but it's not about where it comes from. It's about standing behind the product. The factory usually that brings from China or any import, they don't give you the details. They don't give you their factory videos. They don't give you the powder coating stages. They don't give you what kind of powder coat brand you're getting on the product. Know if it's mixed metal or not. So with US brand, you can play around, or if the company's legit, even if they import, they show you that there's no mixed metals, pure dyes, 6063 T6. This could be 6063 also, but mixed metal. So that means it's weaker on the long run when you want to screw. So you'll take an aluminum slat from import and aluminum slat. It could be also import or not, or US. Same gauges, same everything. And you're like, wow, this weight's different. Plus, you bolt the screw and the meat doesn't, and this just doesn't catch because it was mixed metals. And when you do mixed metals, you don't have that full definition of a pure aluminum where they bond, the entire mold is bonded right. Plus you got curing time. So you'll see this slat typically, you'll see some more sizes of it in the market. So you just gotta be smart, ask where it came from. You wanna know the stages, what kind of powder coating brand is it? And you might be okay, but that's just the slat. Now you gotta check the post, you gotta check the frame, the cap system. So cap systems could look like this, very thick, 3/16 or a quarter or 1/8, and you can have a flat system that is almost a hair, like a Coca-Cola can. So yeah, you'll see this. You just gotta know that you're paying for less. You're paying for less durability, and you don't even know what you're buying. The fact that it says aluminum slat, it don't mean nothing. It just means that the aluminum is the raw material.